Cybersecurity analysts protect computer systems and networks from cyber threats like hackers, viruses, and data breaches. They monitor security systems, investigate suspicious activity, and put measures in place to prevent attacks. Their job is to keep sensitive information safe, whether for businesses, government agencies, or organizations handling personal data. They also educate employees on cyber risks and how to stay secure online. Entry-level roles usually start at around £25,000 to £35,000 per year. With a few years of experience, this can rise to between £40,000 and £60,000. Senior analysts or specialists working for large companies can earn over £70,000, and highly skilled professionals in top roles may make six figures. In addition to experience, a cybersecurity analyst's salary can also be higher or lower depending on location. A degree in cybersecurity, computer science, or a related subject is usually required in order to become a cybersecurity analyst. However, some people enter the field through apprenticeships or industry certifications like CompTIA Security Plus, CISSP, or Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH. Strong IT skills, problem-solving abilities, and attention to detail are essential. Many employers also look for practical experience, which can be gained through internships, online courses, or ethical hacking challenges.